Hi, hello, I am Puja Bhui. I have joined Rajeev classes to take preparations for NEET 2020 exam. Before joining Rajeev classes, I was scared about how the teachers will be, how the faculty will be of Rajeev classes. I am an average student, so my biggest fear was I was a bit nervous about how I will cope up with other students who are much brighter than me, or they have taken the good preparations. I'm lagging behind, but all my nervousness and stress was gone when I first did a class in Rajiv classes. The first class was a physics class, and it was taken by Ratan sir, and he's a very friendly teacher. He helped me in the basics of physics, and even when I asked silly questions, like the very basic question, he answered me. And he's very encouraging. Not only Ratan sir, every faculty of Rajiv sir, whether our biology teachers like Kumar sir, Prakash sir, Rajoshi sir, they're all really encouraging. They help you in clearing all your doubts, many basic things. Here I could clear my doubts regarding physics, chemistry and biology, and I got to learn the basics of each and every topic. And so I'm very happy after joining Rajiv classes. Now, since lockdown is going on and due to this coronavirus effect, everyone is at their home, so I was thinking what I will do now. So since because of that we can't go we can't go there and do our classes, but Rajeev sir also took out a solution, and now we are doing online classes, and these online classes are very helpful. Due to sitting at home, sometimes I feel get bored or feel lethargic. No, I don't want to study, but due to this online classes, I'm not feeling bored, and my preparations are going well. Each and every topic is discussed in our online classes. We are getting good notes, and also we can ask our doubts, like any questions regarding whether chemistry, whether it's physics or biology. Rajiv sir also personally take our classes. We can ask him any question or any doubt or on any topic. We can message him on WhatsApp him at any time. So I'm very thankful to Rajesh sir that he's given us this opportunity to clear all our doubts, and giving a good place to study. Thank you.